you hear that? Whoa. Now, you'll never know what happened. I was waiting for Mick, my landlord, to come to rescue me with the exhaust dangling off the back of the car like a dick. And what happened is, he should have been there. He wasn't there. It was like 25 minutes. I saw... there was, first of all, there was a Mini, a green Mini, really posh, nice one, who stopped just in front of the car, just when I stopped the other video. And the lady came out in her 50s or so. She came to me and said, "You're right." I said, "Yeah, my exhaust just fallen off. I'm waiting for my landlord. It's so kind of you." She said, "Yes, I just saw the exhaust wasn't there." So then I said to her, "Thank you so much for stopping. In 20 minutes I'm waiting. Nobody's come to stop, but it's normal because people are on their way to work. They can't be late and stopping for me." Oh, fuck. A green, red light rather. Road work. So she came through, which was really nice. And then it's when I was waiting for ages. And a big green lorry, and it's quite a narrow lane, a narrow road, a big green lorry stopped just behind the car, and there was another one following. I thought, shit, he's going to block the traffic. And a man in his 40s came out, down the cab. He said, "Oh, I see you've got a problem." I said, "Well, sort of, it's not too, it's only the exhaust." He said, "Yes, I see. I'm just going to rip it out for you." And I thought, no, don't do that. I just let him do it because obviously he's a man. He's obviously knowledgeable about cars. Otherwise, he wouldn't just come to my exhaust and just pull it out. He just ripped it out. It was caught with those two cable things. I couldn't stop laughing. It was so funny. Just see this man come out of nowhere, just rip the exhaust off. That's it. He said, "That's it. You can go off on your way now." And I was so astonished. And of course, as soon as he drove off, pulled off and drove off, my landlord came. And I was so stunned. I said, "You won't know what happened. Someone just ripped my exhaust off." He said, "Yes, that's all that needs to be done." And he said, "Oh, you can go on your way now." I said, "Oh, well, thank you very much. Thank you. So I went into the car. And do you know what happened next? The car wouldn't start. It couldn't start because I'd left the hazards on for those 20 minutes. The battery had got drained. And Mick said, because I stopped him there. I said, "Oh, no, my car won't start." He said, "If the battery is not very good, your lights won't, you will drain the battery just with 20 minutes of the lights." And I said to him, "God, an exhaust and a battery. I hope Rosie's not going to put my rent up just yet, because that's going to be a lot of expense." But anyway, then he said, "I haven't got any jump leads in my truck." I said, "Shit, what can I do now?" He said, "Okay, we've got an option. You're parked on a hill at the moment, so we're going to get your car to turn around, and then down the hill you will jump start your car." And I said, "I don't know what to do." He said, "Just I'll push the car, have your foot on the clutch, deep, put the window down." He's bloody lucky there was enough juice to get the window down, because this is a bloody electric window, which I don't like. But then I got confused because I'm sure he said, "Foot not on the clutch, just don't touch the brake, on the accelerator." But anyway, I got it in the end. I had to keep the clutch down. At that point, another car stopped. A younger man had a word with Mick, who explained what had happened, that the exhaust had fallen off and then the battery was drained. So he helped push the car. The car got into the hedge, back up on the road the other side, and I can't believe it. The car actually started down the hill, and you can hear it now. Wow, it roars. It's a tiger car. Can you hear that? It's going at 200 miles an hour. Thank you, mate. night. Thank you. Well, how entertaining, but of course, I do hope that my battery will be fine when I need to get off the market. So I've driven only 5 minutes now. I don't know if I should go around the block a little bit. Now what I'll do is I'll leave the car on as I unload the car. So then it carries on. Voilà, let's not get into any accidents. Oops, let's back. Oops. Whoa, yes. How exciting it is. I'm not putting my hazards on. I don't want to drain the lights. Okay, we're there. Oh, I've got the red nose and the red cheeks today. No, don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. So I turn you off. You've seen enough for today. Look, red nose, we don't care. Never mind. It's a vital force doing good things. Bye bye. Hypochondria on bloody legs, aren't you?